Hey everyone, this is Erica and I'm back with you with another video on this hair that I am rocking and this quick, maybe like 10 to 15 minute hairdo. It really doesn't take long. It's very simple, very easy, top notch, and I'm using clip-ins. Yes, clip-ins to give me this length, clip-ins to give me this bun, clip-ins to give me this style. Yes, excuse me if I look off because my lighting in here is just, oh, it got me yellow. Let me change. Now I'm too dark. Come on, lighten me up. It's a little better. Oh, this lighting. I'm still working on my lighting in this room that I'm starting. Don't look at the background. Don't look at that. A sister is working on it. So just bear with me, but just focus on this. Focus on that. Okay. So I'm wearing Sassina Hair. And I'm looking over here so I can make sure I give the right information. It is a Jerry Curly Clip-In Hair Extensions. This is their 20-inch hair. It comes in a box like this, like that. And it's 7 double weft hair with 16 clips. Yes, 7 double weft hair with 16 clips. And I will post a clip right here to let you see exactly what you get in your package. What you get in the pack, and I actually have 2 boxes of these. I recommend you, 1 box is not going to be enough. This is 2 boxes of their hair, and I can honestly tell you, this is some very, very, very nice curly hair. I've been wearing it for at least a month now, and I haven't had any issues other than shedding, but I can kind of expect that with curly hair. So I didn't have any issues with that. It says it's at 8A. We're gonna say that again. 8, like the number 8. A is in apple. Top grade Remy Jerry curly hair extensions. So this is it. I have not straightened it. I do not plan on straightening it because curly hair should be worn curly and not straight. But if you guys want to see if it straightens, let me know. I will straighten a strand, not the whole hair, just to see how it is straightened and if it will pop back to its curl pattern. But on about this hair, I haven't had any issues with the hair when it washed. I can glide my comb or my dimming brush that I have. The package comes with a comb like this. Was able to comb through it better with my dimming brush. I mean, when you comb through it when it's wet and you just scrunch it up. And I also have a diffuser. When you do that, the curls just literally just pop. Can you see that? It's just so very nice. So I decided to do this top knot bun because it's just an easy style to do with clip-ins. If you guys want to see some other styles that I can do with this, just let me know. But hey, it's nothing much I can say about the hair. Dealing with the customer service with the hair, I didn't have any issues on that end. I'm just hoping the hair that I have will be the same hair that you guys order. I'm just going to say that much. For the last month, if I needed something quick to do to my hair because I haven't done much to it, I would literally pop these clip-ins in. I also put the clip-ins in and I put them in all the way up to the front and just put a band or a scarf and I just let it flow to the back. I can do a video on that as well, but it's very, 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 very easy. But yeah, this is it. If you guys want to see what I've done to my head, how I actually did this. I don't show you parting, putting it up in a ponytail because it's self-explanatory. You know how to part. My hair is short, so I had to do some extra slicking on the sides. Yes, to get this up here because you know my hair is cut. So I just parted, going straight across, put it in a ponytail, and I have two big nappy braids in the back because I need to wash my hair. Yes, don't judge, sister. But I need to wash my hair, so I have two braids going in the back, and I just clipped over the back. So basic of the video, my hair is already up in its ponytail and braided in the back. Simple, you know how to do that much. But yeah, if you guys want to see more about how I achieve this quick, it was very quick. It don't take long at all to slap clippings in the top bun. Just stay tuned. If you guys have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them below. Yes, leave them below. And hey, all links and everything will be below on how to purchase this hair. I believe, yes, right now they are running a sale on this hair, so I actually recommend getting this hair because I love it. I don't know what else to tell you. And so, hey, stay tuned for the video.